Hi friends, welcome back to this chapter 7 tutorial on Excel VBA Basic to Advanced. In this chapter, I am going to show you what is with block in VBA. To explain the use of with block, let me go to the developer tab, then Visual Basic. Here you see the code that was written in the chapter 6. If you notice in this code, this object range A1 to C3 is repeating multiple times. In every code, the object repeats. So by using the with block, we can put this range object at one place only, then add these properties below it. This is useful for simplifying the code and making the code more readable. For this, let me create here a new module by going to Insert, Module, click on View tab, Properties window. Let's change the module name to with_block. Close this properties window, go to this chapter 7, go to VBA. Now here create a sub procedure sub with_block, press enter. Now here let me write some value in the cell, that is range A1 to C5 dot value equal to 1500. Now if I run this code, 1500 is written in this range. Now if I want to change the properties of the values given here, like changing the fonts, changing the color, applying borders, etc., then I can refer to this range object at one place only by introducing the with block. For that, let me put here with range A1 to C5. Then press enter, then press tab key. Now here you can define the properties, like if you want to change the font name, put here dot font dot name equal to times New Roman. Now hit enter. Then if you want to change the size of the font, type here dot font dot size equal to 18. Similarly, if you want to change the color, then type here dot font dot color equals VB red. In this way, we can set up the properties of this range A1 to C5. After setting up all the properties, then you have to put here end with. So press the backspace key, then type end with, then press enter. So this is called the with block, where I have written this range object here only. The range object is not repeating in every line of code. Now let's run the code step by step by using the step into tool. So let me press F8. It goes to this with block now. Press F8 again. It goes to this font properties code. Now if you press F8, this will be executed. Press F8. Here you see the font name is changed to Times New Roman. Press F8 again. Here you see the size is increased to 18. Press F8 again. The color is changed to red. So in this way, by using the with block, we can simplify our code by writing the object at one place only, then defining the properties of the object below it. In the next chapter, we will learn how to manipulate the row, column and sheet using VBA code, where we will learn hide and unhide a row and column, add new sheet, deleting sheets, hide and hide sheet, and copy and move sheet by using the VBA code. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next chapter.